Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA also coming down further. There was a chance that this overall wave 2 was already finished here. We even broke out above the descending trend line but failed the retest and go now deeper into the green area. Nothing that we didn't expect or that wasn't part of this scenario, as I already showed you this area here in the last video, which is the target area for this current wave. So the possibility was already included and outlined in the previous video. Next key support here for ADA in this drop is the 61.8% FIB level at 52 cents, and after that the 78.6% FIB level at 51.2 cents, two levels that I also mentioned in the previous video. We can also measure the target in a different way, because what we can do, we can take the length of the wave, let's see, we can take the length of the wave W and add it to the beginning of the wave X, and here, to be honest, here based on this wave count, maybe I have to change it a bit, but based on this wave count we did already overshoot the ideal target for a wave Y. So I need to look at this again, but for now we already broke the 1.618 extension. I mean, we could even go all the way down in the worst case, let's say, to the 2.618 extension, which is pretty much matching here the 78.6% FIB level. So for now, I think we are going lower, but we already saw a bit of a reaction here. So the 61.8% FIB level would be the next key support, but anywhere in this green area we have to expect that this overall correction in a wave 2 could be finished and that the uptrend is starting again or continuing. Now we have to change now the channel due to this latest let's say fake out, and you can see we have 3 nice touch points in this trend line, and that would mean that a good indication that this overall wave Y is finished and the wave 2 would be a move above this descending trend line. Keep an eye on that trend line, and then the next best signal would be a break above 53.7 cents. So that's where we are at the moment, following here currently the forecast. It hasn't invalidated anything. Wave 2 is just still ongoing. That breakout wasn't successful, and we have space in this move down in all the way down to 51, basically 51 cents. Could we go lower? Yes, in the current scenario we could go as low as 50.2, but if we go to 50.2, it's already getting quite unrealistic that this is still a wave 2, and we need to look at something else. For now, I'm following this scenario where we said, all right, from the low at 40.2 cents, we've created a wave 1 to the upside, an impulse. We came down in a wave 2. The wave 2 was a truncated wave, basically consisting of A, B, C, that this wave 2 finished here, and we then started a new wave 1 in a yellow wave 3, because as I said, from the low we started a 1-2 setup, and after that you would expect the wave 3, and in the wave 3 we've done another 1-2. So again, it remains my view that we focus here on higher, as long as the low here at 50.3 cent is holding for now. This needs to hold. 50.3 is the next meaningful low, and as long as we're holding that, we can focus imminently on higher. We're also above the 50-day moving average, which is fine as well, and there is a really tough breakout point here for ADA at 55 cents. If we go above that level, we should see a rally. It's a really tough point, 55 cents. You can see that it's a range actually between 54.9 and 55.7 cents. A move above that could take us within, I don't want to say within days, but probably within weeks, to 66 cents, which is the target for that yellow wave 3. And that's currently where we are. We can take a look on the daily chart quickly here on the indicators as well. So in terms of the key indicators that we are looking at here on the daily chart, you can see it's pretty much indecisive. Sideways movement, the MACD isn't really of great help in this environment. Sideways movement, we're still sort of in the bullish range. The RSI, also rather sideways movement, but potentially coiling up here for a breakout. If you see that, we've got basically a horizontal line here. It's basically forming a triangle, this RSI. and we have an ascending trend line there, and we are moving around this yellow line, this sort of average, and yeah, I think we are coiling up here for something. Reduced volatility here as well, and on the RSI you can use those trend lines as well and patterns, and that would normally be followed by a breakout. Now I can't currently tell you if that will go up or down, but in line with what I see on the chart, and also here because it's an ascending triangle, I would primarily expect a move to the upside. Yeah, like also I would expect a wave 3 here now to follow next, which would be a move to the upside. Okay, and that's my quick update about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And also check out the channel membership if you're interested. And also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those channels in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.